Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Affiliate marketing, do you have what it takes to be successful? The truth is that 99% of all affiliates make less than $100 a month, while the other 1% earn staggering incomes from affiliate marketing. The difference lies in the way these two groups perceive affiliate marketing as a business model. Those who make good money view it as a real business, while others see it as a get-rich-quick scheme and consequently, never make any money. Much of your success will depend on your attitude and your ability to stay focused and not give in to fears of failure. Failure cannot be an option. You have to visualize and expect success. Otherwise, it may never materialize. If you can answer yes to the following questions, then you have what it takes to be a successful affiliate marketer. Asterisk, do you have the patience and persistence required to build an affiliate business? Asterisk, can you accept the fact that you will make mistakes and may even lose money at first? Asterisk, do you understand that it takes time to build a real business, and you will not get rich overnight? Asterisk, are you willing to invest time into your continuing education? Asterisk, are you willing to invest time and money into advertising and tools to build your affiliate business? You can make an absolute killing in affiliate marketing, but it will take some work. And if you're just starting out, you have a lot to learn. But as your knowledge and skills increase, so will your income. You will almost certainly make mistakes along the way, but you can't give up. Just learn from your mistakes and move on. Right now, you have two choices. 1. You can take the plunge and start building a real business online. Or 2. You can keep looking for that magic bullet that will make you rich overnight without you lifting a finger. Unless you win the lottery, there is no legal business model that will make rich overnight. If you find one, let me know. Think about this. If you had started 3 months ago, what would your monthly income be right now? What will it be 3 months from now? KOKOSHUNGSAN.UK provide multi-tier, a multi-level affiliate tracking with up to 5 tiers. With the multi-tier affiliate tracking system, not only are you rewarded, you also get rewarded for encouraging other affiliates to join the affiliate program. We hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. Learn more at uni24x7.com. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net